Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again, my name is Ivan. If this is your first time watching my video, please go and make a subscription. Go and subscribe to my channel so that you don't be missing out on the video that I'll be posting. So today I will take you through how you can create a report card. Imagine you are a teacher of primary 5 class and you want to create a report card of your children or your pupil using Microsoft Excel. So I will teach you how you can calculate the total, the average, and also the position using Microsoft Excel. And in Microsoft Excel, we have what we call formula, and we also have what we call functions. So formula, these are user-defined expression that performs calculations using values, operators, and cell references, while the functions, these are pre-built or predefined formula that perform a specific task such as calculating average, sum, and others. So I will teach you how you can get a total using formula, and also getting a total using function, also getting the average using formula and getting average using the function. And I will also show you how you can create position, and also how you can create comment by using the if functions. So functions, there are many functions that you can use. We have the if functions, whereby it tests for whether something is true or false. So I will take you slowly so that you are able to understand what I'm going to teach you. I've already created the name of my pupils here. These are just random names, and also some marks. I've already entered some marks because I didn't want to waste a lot of time. So I will just take you through the calculations using the formula. Now, if you want to do the calculation using the formula, what you do, you just come and press on the cell that you are going to calculate your formula. And remember, each and every calculation starts with equal sign. So you press equal sign and you open bracket. Then you can now say C2 plus we have E2 plus we also have G2 G2 plus I2. Then you close your bracket and then you press enter. I made some mistake. Instead of calculating for the total, our active cell was on grade, so we are going to repeat that again. Put your cursor at the cell where you want to do your calculations and use the formula bar to make the calculation. So what you do, you press equal sign, open bracket, then now you can say C2 plus E2 plus G2 plus I2. Then you close your bracket and you press enter. You see, that's how we can calculate using formula. Now what you do, you bring your cursor here when it is having a plus sign like this, then you just pull it down to calculate also others, just like that. So we are done calculating our mass using the formula. So let us see how we can also use function. What you do, you press on the cell to make it active, you come to your formula bar, and with the function you just say use equal sign, then open bracket. Now first start by pressing sum because we are adding sum, open bracket, C2 through I2, close your bracket and press enter. Now you see with the function, you don't waste a lot of time. We have got the same total that we found earlier using formula, but the function, when you master how to use function, you will not waste a lot of time doing these calculations. You see, that's how we calculate our total using formula and functions. Yeah, now we are going to calculate our average. Average is got from the total marks out of the total number of subjects. So we are supposed to be adding all these, then we divide by the total number of the subjects. There are 4 subjects. We have MTC, SST, Science, and English. So, but now we have already got our total, so we are just going to divide, whereby to calculate average using formula, what you do, you start by pressing equal sign. First of all, you have to press on that cell where you're going to do your calculation from to make it active, and you come to your formula bar, and what you do, you press equal sign, press equal sign, and after pressing your equal sign, you can now say you open bracket and you say 350 divide by 4, and you close your bracket, you press enter. See that? So that's how we get our average. Let us calculate another one. The same thing also, what you do, you press equal sign, open bracket, you have 281 divide by the total number of subjects, which are 4, close your bracket, press enter. So that's how we calculate our average using formula. So after doing that, you just press enter and we are done. Now I will show you how to calculate average using function. So with the function, it is just easy. What you do, you come to, let us do it from our formula bar. You press equal sign and you type average, you open bracket, and since we are using the total marks, we can either use column K or L, because they are all having the same total, so we can choose to use either K or L, but for our case we are going to use L, and we can now say from L2 through L6. You close your bracket and you press enter. Then we made some mistake. We are going to repeat again by